Check out our new smart panel design. Modern, intuitive, and customizable with your logo. The soft start function enables the speed to ramp up smoothly for reliable performance, reducing the motor burnout caused by excessive current. In eco mode, the motor can rotate more evenly, and the speed is reduced by 30%, achieving a more energy-saving and quieter cleaning effect. Equipped with a solid waste collection basket to catch debris and prevent blockages in the dirty water tank. A waterproof suction inlet protects the motor during cleaning, keeping clean water out where it doesn't belong. Dual-level clean water flow lets you control rinsing with precision. Need to work at night? No problem. LED front lights keep your path visible and safe. When press this button, the suction motor will delay 10 seconds to stop working, effectively solving the problem of sewage backflow. Changing brushes in seconds with our magnetic brush plate. One-click replacement, no more struggling with manual alignment. Powered by the US Amatec suction motor, you'll enjoy strong performance with minimal noise. A generous 55-liter water tank means fewer refills. Easy fill clean water port. Separate drain outlet for quick emptying. Built with an integrated die-cast aluminum squeegee blade. Durable and efficient in water gathering. And with a fully sealed charger, it's both dust-proof and waterproof, safe and built to last. Magnetic pad installation. Quick release design for fast, effortless changes. Simple, secure, efficient. With a built-in traction motor, the machine can move forward or reverse as needed. Making operation effortless, just need to control the direction. Featuring a 4-speed setting, allowing you to adjust the pace based on your working environment. The machine features a foolproof plug design, preventing damage from incorrect connections. The charger is designed with external heat dissipation, effectively reducing temperature and preventing overheating. Auto shut-off charging stops when full, protects from overcharging.